So yesterday, another new AI model dropped, and I was honestly confused. Can this new model, Gemini 3, actually beat ChatGPT 5.1 or not? So I decided, let's make a full comparison video and test both tools at the hardest level. For this comparison, I'm using LM Arena because it lets you test paid AI models for free. I gave both AIs the same commands, starting with a professional UI/UX website design test. And bro, in terms of speed, ChatGPT instantly took the lead. It delivered the first output super fast. The website it made looked really nice, but when you look closely, the website speed was very slow, which is not a good sign. Now let's check Gemini 3's website, and wow, it looked way more professional, clean, and polished. Everything was smoother. So tell me, which website do you think was better? Because honestly, both looked great to me. Now let's move to the second comparison. I told both AIs to make a game. Within 1 minute, ChatGPT built the entire game. The game was functional, but the frame delay was very noticeable. Now checking Gemini 3's game. And bro, I personally loved it more. The speed, the design, the execution, Gemini felt more professional here. So this round also goes to Gemini 3. Let's run one more test. I asked both models to make a clean and professional website again, and something strange happened. Gemini gave me the website first this time. Let's check it. The website looked clean, professional, and the animations were perfect. Now checking ChatGPT's version. It was good, but at some points the layout didn't make sense. It tried to fit too much information into a very small area, which made the design confusing. So again, I'm giving this point to Gemini 3. In my opinion, Gemini 3 wins this comparison. But you tell me your opinion in the comments. And make sure to follow me because I bring more AI comparison videos like this all the time.